What's up everybody? Thank you for coming to our channel. This is Jay from Weight Loss segment. And today's video we're gonna talk about 7 benefits of keto diet. And why you should give it a try to see if it's exact diet for you in weight loss journey or if you're having trouble finding the proper diet to lose significant amount of pounds you want in a given period of time. Stick around, you will find this video useful. Yes, there will be references for the rest and I will put them in the video's description box below so you can read more about it if you'd like to know more it. Not only that, so make sure you watch this video to the end. I have special bonus for you. I will give you a $37 value keto recipes ebook absolutely for free. So without further ado, let's get started. When you hear about the ketogenic diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. The answer is, there are enough benefits to change your life. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? The keto program recommends a diet that is low on carbs, moderate on protein and high in fat. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy needs. With sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap its stores of fat to get by. The liver converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source. This is why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. 7 benefits of the keto diet. Unlike other diets that offer practitioners a weight loss benefit and little else, the keto diet comes with several benefits. Number 1, weight loss. Without a doubt, weight loss is the primary goal of the keto diet. It works because it makes the body look to its fat reserves to power its metabolism. It can be interesting to go deeper into the process, however. When the body is deprived of carbs, it enters a state of ketosis. Blood sugar and insulin levels fall when that happens. As the body taps the energy in fat cells, they release considerable quantities of water, making for some great weight loss. The fat cells are then able to enter the bloodstream and make their way to the liver, where they are turned into ketones for energy processing. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a caloric deficit, you get to enjoy the weight loss benefits of the keto diet. Number 2, it takes the edge off your appetite. When your diet isn't heavy on carbs, you'll find that you don't crave as much food as before. Many people who get on the keto diet are able to fast most of the day and only eat at meal times. They are simply not as hungry as before. Number 3, improved ability to focus. When you choose a regular diet that puts carbs into the body, your brain has to deal with the rise and fall in sugar levels that happens as a result. Inconsistent energy levels can make it hard for the brain to focus with the keto diet. However, the energy source is constant and consistent. The brain is better able to stay focused. Number 4, you feel more energetic. When you are on a regular diet, your body is always on the verge of running out of energy. You need to constantly eat and refuel. With a keto diet, however, the body taps its fat reserves, a nearly unending energy source. The body, then, is able to maintain constant energy levels throughout the day. The result is, you end up feeling a lot more energetic. Number 5, it helps you fight diabetes. When you suffer from type 2 diabetes, your body experiences high levels of insulin. Since the keto diet takes excess sugar from your diet, it helps stabilize HbA1c counts, and reverse type 2 diabetes. Number 6, you get improved levels of good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps get rid of the body's bad cholesterol reserves. When you're on keto, your body's triglyceride levels fall and your HDL cholesterol levels rise. Number 7, you get better blood pressure. When you're on the keto diet, it drops your blood pressure. Many people on the keto diet find that they are able to stop taking blood pressure medicine altogether. The keto diet can change a person's life. It isn't a difficult diet to get on either. There are plenty of great recipes for the keto diet. All it takes is the willingness to give it a shot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video can help many of you who are still having trouble finding the proper diet for you to lose weight at this very moment. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on diets, weight loss. If there is any subjects that you like us to cover, always feel free to get in touch with us by leaving a comment down below. I will visit you next time with more tops and advices. Stay calm, stay cool, stay motivated. Weight Loss Segment presents.